Today, we are building and automating AI tools using Google AI Studio. And if you've not come across this, Google AI Studio's new update is wild. It's unbelievably powerful. In fact, I actually came up with the title for this video using Google AI Studio. I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step, how to create your own tools. And if you have any requests, you want me to build something for you as we're going on live, feel free to ask me. And additionally, if you have any questions as we go on as well, feel free to ask too. That's what I'm here for, my friends. So you can see, for example, here we've got Google AI Studio. And what I was planning to do today is just sort of build out some tools that I need to build live on this live stream, right? And then also, if you have questions as we go along, feel free to ask. That's what we're here for. So what I want to do essentially, and this is going to be an interesting task actually, is we are going to use Google AI Studio to automate, first of all, the thumbnail for this video. All right. So how are we going to do that? Let me show you. So we're going to go down here and we're going to find the generator for, in fact, I'm just going to go straight to Google Gemini to do this. And what we're going to do, there we go. We've got YouTube thumbnail generator. Let me find this. So I'm going to go to the YouTube thumbnail generator, like you can see. And then we can type in what we want, right? So for example, let's say we're doing a live stream about Google AI Studio. Well, we can take that. We can go over here. We can plug that in and we can plug that in, right? The other thing that we can do here is we can go to aistudio.google.com. In the meantime, whilst waiting for that to load, and we can go to start. And then I'm going to describe what I want to do, which is take my YouTube thumbnail and reverse the colors on it, plus give me 3 alternatives of the original image. All right, we'll hit build like so. And now we've got the thumbnail generated from this thumbnail generator. I'm going to see what we get back on this tool that we actually build out right now, live before your eyes, my friends. So let's see what we got here. We're going to test this out. All right, so we're waiting for that to load. And you can see this is beginning to code out. So it's creating a Nano Banana powered app. That's what we want to do. I'm actually going to make sure that we do that. So it should be Nano Banana powered. That's the API we want to use for coding this bad boy. And the other thing that we can do whilst waiting is we can actually, for example, take an image like this, right? Take an image like that. We can copy it. And we can go straight into Nano Banana here. So if we click on create images on the drop down, paste in the thumbnail that we want to do, I'm just going to say reverse the colors on this. And then whilst we're building out the tool, we'll get a reversed image of the colors on this. And then I'm going to turn it into a thumbnail. Now, this is pretty useful because, for example, let's say, I've got a YouTube channel here. We're generating thumbnails every day. It gets expensive, right? You can easily end up spending anywhere between $20 to $60 per thumbnail. Like that, it can easily rack up that much, right? And so what you can do is you can easily just generate an alternative thumbnail like you can see right here. I'm also going to say, okay, make it high res plus improve the quality, because the quality is pretty bad on that original one. And then over here, we've got the tool for the thumbnail transformer. So I'm going to upload so this is the one that we actually just built. I'm going to upload that screenshot that we literally just took, which is this one. And then we should be able to transform the image using this tool here. Now, if it actually works, I'll also share with you the tool for free as well, right? So we'll see how it goes. We've got a few requests as well. So Swift Ace is asking for an Uber app for musicians, which would be pretty cool. I think we could probably do that. Look at these thumbnails. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. That one is nice, right? I mean, like that's the cool thing about getting these options as well. So you got alternative 1, alternative 2, the original and the inverted. Honestly, I would go with that out of all of them. And then we also got Ibrahim who says Gemini isn't way good at designing like Claude, how to make it designing better. I mean, you can see right here, like that image is better than most humans could design, right? So what we're going to do over here is we're going to go over to Canva, right? So I'm going to sign into Canva here. Then we're going to zoom in. And we are on the wrong one. So I'm going to just create a new slide over here. There we go. Boom. All right. Nice. Then we'll paste this in. So this is our new thumbnail that was generated with the tool we just built. There we go. It's beautiful. Absolutely fantabulous, isn't it? And then we're going to download that. JPEG. High qualidad. Just download the current page. And boom shakalaka, we just created a custom thumbnail in like one click, right? And so this is way, way, way better at designing than anything else I can see. Bear in mind, like Claude, it can't even generate images, as far as I'm aware. Maybe it can now, but last time I checked, it can't. I could be wrong with that. So we're going to go over to the live stream now, and we'll just plug in that thumbnail that we generated live on the free tool that we built for you that, a lot of people would pay good money for, right? So for example, here, we're going to go to upload thumbnail. We'll grab the image that we just got. Wait for that to load. And now we've uploaded the thumbnail. So easy, isn't it? So we've got the thumbnail there. That's looking pretty nice. Nice title, etc. Pretty easy and simple. And we just automated it using this tool over here. Now, how do you use this tool? How do I share it with you? Well, if we go to Share App in the top right, so we're going to click on Share. We're going to publish that like so. Then we're going to copy it. And now you've got a free thumbnail image generator, right? So if we go to the AI Money Lab, link in the comments description, free course. All right. Then we're going to add a new page. This is going to be called Free AI Tools Built Live. And the thumbnail image generator is here. Right. Boom. All right.